Well, my buddy Bullfrog's still over in the mud hole. He talks to me all day long. I guess he's looking for a job. Well, I'm going to show you a router sled disaster. I got out here going flatten a little board. I tried to rig up everything. It went from bad to worse. So today, I'm going to solve the problem. Hang on, I'll show you what I was up against. And if you can't learn to laugh at yourself, it's going to be a long, sold up life for you. So I just soon just laugh and move on. All you can do. But today, I'm going to solve that problem. I'm slow, but eventually I learn. Hang on. As you can see, I had all this mess piled up here, rigged up, trying to hold that crazy little board in place. Like I said, it just went from worse to even worser. If you want to use a word that ain't a word, it was bad. So anyhow, I got an idea on how I'm going to fix this little problem. We shouldn't have no more trouble with it. Just hang on if you want to learn how not to. I'm showing you how not to do it there. This is exactly how not to do it. The way I got into it yesterday, I just kept thinking I could clamp it here, clamp it there, and block it there, and all that. Didn't work. I'm going to show you today. This here is a product of yesterday. Best not to ask too many questions. Good on that side. See what the other side looks like. Yeah, that's when things go bad, people. Yep. That's when you know it's time to quit. Go in and find a rat cartoon. That's exactly what I did. So let's see if we can solve this problem. That should do it on them. We gotta go table saw. Hey, little bullfrog, that's eating you then. Okay, folks, we're ready to do the sawing. Got saw set high pitch this way, high pitch on the high. Let's see what happens. So we'll let that board set like it's right here. A little frame for it set in. That's all for the table saw, hopefully. Okay, now it's moment of truth. See what she looks like. We're winners or we're losers. One or the other. That looks pretty good. Spin this around. Round up. What in the world did I do, people? Back to the drawing board. Gotta take that right there plus a half. That'll save my side rail too, where I keep nicking it right here. Yay, I think it'll work, baby. Well, that's my plan. It seems to be in there pretty good. Put our 204s on the side rail to bring that up a little bit. And they get an old slab out here. So I have to wait on some help for that. We'll set her up to see if it works. Ain't perfect, but there it was, people. There it was. back there. I think we can call this a success. Somewhat. Things work pretty good. There we go, folks. It ain't the prettiest it could be, but dress her up a little more. Kind of what I was going for right there. Figure out what color I'm going to put around in here. We'll call that done. That guider is a whole lot better than what I had yesterday. Folks, if you can't laugh at yourself, at least you can laugh at me. I laugh at myself all the time. Sometimes my brain don't match what goes on in my hands. Does it, Jack? Jack can tell you, he's the wrangler, boss wrangler around this morning. Well, time for a rat cartoon or something. I'm heading into the house. I know one thing. I'm sure over this shit. Where'd he go? Skin Jackie. Skin Jackie.